Yo, YouTube, just a quick updated tutorial today to show you how to get the best Amazon promo code in 2026. I was searching high and low, searching on YouTube and also watching YouTube videos and Google websites, trying tons of different Amazon discount codes, and I've managed to find a $100 Amazon promo code that everyone can use right now, and you simply redeem it in the basket or at checkout. So you would enter this promo code for Amazon that I'm going to show you, and it's going to remove $100. So it is very important you do just make sure you have at least $100 in your basket. So before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, and let's get into it and show you these best Amazon promo codes. So you got to use your mobile phone to just get your code, guys. So I'm doing this on iPhone, you can do this on Android, and you've got to head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. Now, these Amazon promo codes are working in 2026, so I highly recommend that you do this before these codes run out. So go to Cold Coupons, guys. Type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser. It's going to bring you to this codes website. They have coupon codes for loads of different things. You need to search for Amazon using the search bar at the top of the screen. As you can see, there's a few different verified coupon codes here, guys. So you need to look for this one, guys. This is the Amazon $100 promo code, and you simply enter it in at checkout, and it's going to remove $100 off your next order. They do have a gift card as well on this website. So if you don't want a promo code and you want to use a gift card for future purchases, you can use that one. So as you can see, these are limited codes with 800 plus codes. So what this is going to do, guys, is going to you need to unlock your code. It's going to hide the code here, as you can see. So your $100 Amazon promo code is obviously hidden because they are pretty desirable, and you can only do this once, guys. I've already done this, so I can't do it again. But what you're going to want to do is just click on Get Full Code, and you need to follow the instructions on this code unlocker to unlock your Amazon promo code. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. Now, as you can see, these are all completely free, and they're simple things like installing mobile applications, answering survey questions, even playing mobile games as well. You do just need to make sure you complete 2 of them by following the description for each of the tasks. If you do that, guys, your Amazon promo code will be fully revealed in this box. You can redeem it in the app or in the website at checkout or in the basket, and that is going to remove $100 off your next order. These are by far the best Amazon promo codes in 2026. Head on over to Cold Coupons, find this Amazon page and select the $100 promo code, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.